Hello all. Today let's understand how to convert a natural language numeric into integer or float using Python. In Python we do have a library called Numerizer which does that. So the agenda of this video is to understand the installation, then to do some example coding, and then also to understand how to integrate this into Spacey and some of the use cases where Numerizer will help you. And also for the reference you can visit this Python official library website where you can understand more about Numerizer. Before getting into solving the problem, like let's understand what's exactly the problem statement is. Say suppose you do have a statement like this uh, in your sentence. Say suppose you have a statement like this 45, and then you may want to convert this into 45 like this in a numeric way in Python. So this particular library does that for us. And say suppose you also have a statement like this 45 and 3/4, and you may want to convert this into 45.75, right? So to do all these performances, like you can go for a numerical library. Now let's understand the installation process. The installation is quite simple. You just have to do pip install numerizer, and doing this, like it installs numerizers in your environment. So after installation, now let's try to do some coding for the numerizer library. So from numerizer import numerize. Yeah, it shows that numerizer is executed successfully, installed successfully in your environment. So the way you execute this, like the way you use this particular library is like this. So using numerize, using this object, you can pass the data that you have with you. So 45, sorry 55, you pass 55 inside, and then you do see that like it has converted this into a numeric 55. But still, like it does results in the string format anyways. You can typecast this using the integer like this in Python, right? Like this is the way you do that. Now let's try to understand, let's try to see how this particular library behaves for some complicated statements like this 1,500,000 500 1,500,000. Yeah, as you can see, like it does convert this into a numeric way, right? Now also let's make it a bit complicated by giving some statements like this 9 3/4. Yeah, it does execute, and then it does gives us the result as expected as 9.15. Now let's understand how to use this particular numerizer in our space in Spacey. As you know, Spacey is one of the open source software library which is used for advanced NLP processing. So let's see like how to use this in Spacey. So before using it into Spacey, we just have to load the Spacey from Spacey import load, and you do have to construct an NLP object using like this is the object I used to get NLP, right? Now let's see, like let's understand this. Like I do have an object like this, document is equal to NLP of some statement over here, the revenue generated for this quarter is 3 million, right? So $3 million. So now let me try to use numerizer in this doc underscore numerize. So what is it saying? Like this quarter, okay fine, it does tries to convert this into this 1/4, and then $3 million is converted like this, right? This is the way you can use Spacey to extract the numbers present in the text to the in a numeric way using Python, right? And then you do have a option to pass the entity inside and then get the data. Say suppose I just want only the uh, maybe only the currency value that is mentioned over here. I can just pass the labels into this, like this, labels equal to money, right? I just want the money mentioned over here. Yes, it does extract like this $3 million, and inside this it has converted it like this and then gave us the result. Yeah. So this is all about the numerizer library. So to wrap it up, like uh, the Python, this is a Python library used to convert natural language numerics into integers and floats. Thank you.